Had enough of feeling broke the second you peek inside your wallet? Time for a new approach. I've crafted a plan that can help you bounce back way faster than you'd guess. Keep watching closely. The smartest money moves are hidden where nobody else is looking. Ever pictured dropping a token and seeing it go viral? Well, you've landed in the right spot. I'm going to guide you step by step in the simplest way possible. Just know, crypto doesn't wait around, and if you stall, the opportunity's gone. Take a peek at Pump.Fun right now. It's total madness. Tokens pop up non-stop, only to crash almost instantly. The juicy entries? Long gone. The vets already bounced toward better setups. What's left is mostly rookies throwing money around without direction. If you know the game, you'll find sharper plays somewhere else. I mentioned the meme coin craze before, and it's still in full swing. New coins appear constantly, flooding the market beyond control. Nobody's able to monitor them all. If you try to launch during this chaos, your token's likely to get lost and ignored. Forget blind shots. They don't keep you alive in this market. You need structure that builds results, and Raydium's got it locked in. Compare it with Pump.Fun, and the difference jumps out. Steadier action, cleaner flow, and more control overall. Those dumps that everyone panics about? Truth is, they're just one piece of a bigger puzzle that most overlook. I'll show you how to flip them into profit. Thanks to Raydium, rolling out a token isn't the headache it used to be. It's way more straightforward now. The hype is still going strong, which makes this the perfect time to act. Only thing, if you're not a coder, expect a few bumps. But don't stress. Take a breath. It's simpler than it sounds. I ran through different tools, and Moontool was hands down the smoothest fit with Raydium. It's buzzing right now, and works whether you're brand new or already seasoned. Best part? No coding needed. I'll guide you all the way. First impression matters, and your coin's image does the talking. In Canva, set your design to 128 by 128 pixels. Pick something ridiculous or funny. Anything meme-worthy works. Once you download it, your project officially has a face. Next stop, Moontool. Hook up your wallet. I usually go with Phantom since it's smooth and fast. Fill out the basics, token name and ticker symbol. For mine, I typed Crocodunk and Slam. If you've got a slogan or a goofy tagline, toss it in the description box. Upload the logo you just made, press Next, and you're moving right along. Here's where you lock in the supply stats. And trust me, these digits matter more than people think. I'm not just throwing random numbers. This setup is proven in meme coin launches. Standard play is 1 billion tokens, and it keeps everything balanced. Give it a final glance. Click Next. And you're stepping up like you've done this before. Here comes the creator setup step. The system asks if you'd like to pay 0.1 Sol to link your name with the coin. Nothing mandatory here, so you can skip it without issue. My advice? Save the Sol for trades or liquidity. Smash Next, and you're on to the next part. Now you'll see the social media setup. It lets you attach your project's Twitter, site, or other platforms. But real talk, Raydium itself gives plenty of reach. If you've got your account set up, go ahead and add them. I skipped over it for my coin, and everything went smoothly anyway. Now comes the authority screen, the part that shows how much power you're keeping. The 3 switches here are potential red flags. Freeze stops wallet use. Minting allows you to pump more tokens, and Update Authority lets you edit details down the road. To keep your launch clean, turn off every switch and press Launch My Token Now. Once you click Launch, a few wallet confirmations will appear. Stay cool. This is exactly how it should go. Approve every prompt, and your token gets locked into the blockchain. The vibe is unreal, like crossing a finish line you've been aiming for. After launch, Moontool shows you a shortcut to SolScan. Click it and verify that your contract's safe and working as expected. From there, the real action starts. You'll create your liquidity pool and bring your token into circulation. Here's the real activation. Liquidity is what makes your token tradable. No pool means no buys or sells. Inside Moontool, hit the second link to open Raydium's liquidity dashboard. Connect your wallet. I roll with Phantom because it's super smooth. If things glitch, reset using the top right button. You'll also need your token address, which you can copy from Solskin or grab faster on Moontool. Back on Raydium, paste it, punch in the name and symbol. I use Crocodunk and Slam. Hit Add User Token, and the full 1 billion supply pops up in the list. Get things rolling by adding 900 million tokens right into the pool. Make sure Sol is picked as the quote token. That's the pair that counts. Then throw in some Sol too. Usually between 0.4 and 2 is solid. Always reserve 0.2 Sol for transaction costs. To finish, set your fee tier at 2% for smooth trading activity. Last setup screen. This is where you pick your transaction fee. I'd go with 2% since it's proven and widely used, but you've got options like 1% or 0.5% too. After setting it, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the wallet confirmations, and your pool goes live on the spot. Quick pit stop. Open Photon and make sure Raydium's CPMM option is toggled on. That's what keeps your token visible to traders. Skip it and you'll be hidden. Raydium gives your coin staying power that Pump.Fun can't match. Keep going. We're still rolling. Let's pull up your chart. Copy your token address from SolScan or Moontool. On Dex Screener, open any random token, then swap the address in the URL for your own. That's all it takes to see your chart live. At first, bots may flood the trades, but the real signal is when the curve starts pushing upward. Don't blink, the last move is next. Navigate to Raydium and open Portfolio to check liquidity. Make sure standard mode is selected. If no data shows, it's not broken. Raydium just needs 10 to 15 minutes to catch up. Patience is part of the game. Until it loads, let's flip back to the chart. At first, there were several purchases that added up to $50, which is about 0.2 Sol. Our graph rose slightly, and our liquidity remained at 257. Let's see what happens now. 23 minutes passed, and in the second round, there were 3 purchases that also added up to a total of $50, which is 0.2 Solana. Our liquidity is at $300, and I think it's a good time to leave. Head into Raydium and double-check your wallet is linked. Press connect if needed. Next, flip into standard mode and scroll until you see your liquidity position. Tap the minus option, and your tokens get pulled out right away. Slide the bar to the max, 100%, to cash out your whole stack. Check the Sol total under it, since that's what will hit your wallet. Then click Remove Liquidity, sign the confirmation, and the process finishes instantly. Want rapid flips? This path works. Roughly 9 out of every 10 coins built like this blast upward at launch. Ours followed the same script, and jumping in early, or dropping a new coin, just makes the returns crazier. The bold claim rewards. The late ones end up spectators. Focus up, stick to the formula, and act fast. Timing is king. Catch you later.